To change the system language of your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, you need to go ahead and open the Settings app. In Settings, you want to scroll down and select General Management. And then from here, you want to choose the option Language. From here, simply select Add Language and choose one of the languages currently available. Now, you can go ahead and select one of these other languages, or you can just search for it and then choose your language as well as its specific region. So say, for example, I wish to change it to Greek. I'll go ahead and select that language and then choose the region I want to get it from. Once I've chosen the region, you'll then be prompted to confirm that you wish to set that language with its specified region as your default. Simply select Set as Default, and after a few moments, you should be able to see the language of your device changing. Obviously, bear in mind some languages are not completely finished, so some things may be translated in the specific app, other things may not be. So if you wish to just change that language again, go ahead and select language and then choose a different option for you that suits your preferences. And once you've done that, you can see the language has been successfully changed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.